Hello, today we will show how the BCAA to fix tire. This is a Canadian BCAA because the tire was flat and then the customers call BCAA to fix it. So first we can see BCAA member, they put the coin, okay, to protect the customers. And then they also find another tie, right? It's temporary. So what kind of tie? You call the spare tie? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We don't show the face, and then we'll see.
So make sure do not speed over 80 on this tire.
Yeah. This is a senior expert, specialist, come to fix the tire. Okay, now we can see they put something here. We don't know the problem, but must be have some problem. Okay, now he put something 3 times.
So again, remember not to speed over 80 on this tire, okay? And try to fix it as soon as possible.
Okay.
So that will be tomorrow morning. Do yourself a favor, just go fix it because now you have no spare tire. Right?
Yeah. It's called a spare tire. What do you call this one? Jack?
Stand.
Stand, okay.
Yeah.
And what do you call this one?
Jack.
Jack, okay.
Jack.
Jack. This is
Jack
called
in the box.
Jack in the box. Okay, so easy. Now we can see it looks like this. Now they change the tire.
Mm-hmm. So your brakes are about 30% left, okay?
30%.
30.
30. So how
Correct.
long I must to
Well,
change?
I would wait. Depends how much do you drive it. But once you hit around 20, 25, you should replace your pads.
Okay.
Okay, so just be careful because if you don't do that, will do a lot of damage, okay?
Okay.
Then you're gonna pay big money.
Okay. So I just wait a little bit, right?
Yeah, you have, how much do you drive? That's the question. How much do you drive? Do you drive a lot? Or no?
Not a lot.
Okay, then probably another, I would say probably 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
Okay. After 4 months, I have to change.
Yeah, check them. Anytime you take it to oil change, get them to check your tire.
Okay.
Okay?
They have to. How do they can check? How they can check? They use
The tire? Well, they're gonna take the tires off and then we'll check them out.
Can you also check the other?
Sure.
Right?
Let's finish this one.
Yeah.
And then we'll go somewhere else.
Okay.
That's yours, my friend.
Yes.
Okay.
Gracias.
Yeah.
Now we fix one. is work.
That's it. Just not like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Jack, stand, and we replace this one. Awful. Okay. You can see here. And this is the machine, all the machine they have. Okay. Would you please check the others? Make sure
Yes, sir.
not nails. Before the expert leave here,
Well, I can check it.
and then we have to check all the wheels. Make sure no trouble. That's the best idea. Or they add a little bit.
Check the pressure on them.
Okay. You check all the other tires pressure. So how many pressure is normal?
33 to 35.
33 to 35. Okay. Before left, check. Then this soap or what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's the soap water.
Yes.
Then we go to another one. So you have to better open your trunk like this. So when any problem, you open the trunk front and back, and then it's good have this habit. So the car, when the people to help you, easier to find you, and if you're in the freeway, it's safety for everybody. This one is normal, right?
Yes. Well, I gotta add some.
Okay, add some.
Yeah.
And how about this one?
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see. Watch yourself with that.
Okay.
Okay. Stand very back.
Okay.
And all 27, 28.
Oh, 27.
So that's an indication you don't check your tires.
Oh,
You should check them every 2 weeks,
every 2 weeks.
3 weeks. Yeah, just check them out.
Okay.
It's a good idea.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Every
And
2 weeks.
Anytime,
Okay.
anytime you start your car,
Mm.
go around it.
Okay.
Just see your tires, see if there's anything behind your car. It's not very important.
Okay. This is expert from BCAA. They are very nice, very professional,
Thank you.
and giving me a lot of suggestion, and hope all the audience can learn something from this expert. Sir, you do excellent job.
Thank you, sir.
The feedback is number one. Okay?
That's what
Thank
the,
you.
1 million members in BC, they tell.
Oh, 1 million customers in BC. That's the real deal. Okay? That's if you want to find the service, they're called the call star 222, and this their logo. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.